to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing another lip gloss video, and I'm doing this for you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my clear lip gloss, and it is peppermint scented. You know, for the Christmas time, you know, had to throw in a little Christmas spirit in there. So it is peppermint scented. It's a clear gloss. It's very smooth, very shiny, and it lasts a long time. I came up with a new formula. All of my glosses are reformulated, so I'm super excited about that. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Lavish Beauty. Y'all, I'm super excited because launch is right around the corner. Launch is going to be sometime this month. I'm not going to give you guys an exact date yet, but it's going to be before 2019 is out. So get ready. Get your money ready. We're ready to go. But I will say I will be selling glosses through my Instagram. I accept PayPal and Cash App. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase, you know, some glosses, then DM me on Instagram. I'll be happy to take care of you and get you what you want, get your order to you. But if you want to wait till the website drops, then that's perfect too. So, okay, girl, calm down. So yeah, let's just get right into the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and also hit that subscribe button so you can be notified of every single time that I upload. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get right into the video. So that is all for the video, you guys. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.